We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system. This is a civil emergency message issued by local authorities. At this time, officials are responding to a situation in your area. Residents are advised to remain indoors and monitor local media for further instructions. No evacuation orders in place. Do not call September 1, 2001 unless you have a life-threatening emergency. Repeat. We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system. This is a civil emergency message issued by local authorities. At this time, officials are responding to a situation in your area. Residents are advised to remain indoors and monitor local media for further instructions. No evacuation orders in place. Do not call September 1, 2001 unless you have a life-threatening emergency. This message will be updated as more information becomes available.
Let's skip that question.
Meet the Parents, rated PG-13, at theaters Friday.
We're in love.
That 70s show will be right back, followed by the season premiere of Titus next. Fox.
The all-new 2001 Ford Escape. Your challenge. Swing across this pit of quicksand. Don't go through this. Enter the easy way by just using 1-800-CALL-ATT for collect calls. This is your last chance to enter to win a new 2001 Ford Escape. You mean all I have to do is use 1-800-CALL-ATT?
What's the number?
Have dinner with me. Not much time. Dial 1-800-CALL-ATT for collect calls now.
This is an update to the civil emergency message. Local authorities have released additional details regarding the ongoing situation. Emergency crews have confirmed that the incident involves a hazardous material spill near a transportation facility. Specialized teams are on site working to contain the material and assess air quality. Residents within a 2-mile radius of the affected area are advised to stay indoors, close all windows and doors, turn off heating or cooling systems that draw in outside air. At this time, no injuries have been reported, and containment efforts are progressing. Officials urge the public to remain calm and continue monitoring local media. Another update will be issued when new information becomes available.
Call someone. I'm not using my minutes. Just use them. I'll call after 8. My lips going on. That's 4 hours away. 3.5.